Okay, you guys, I want to show you another property. It's almost done, so I kind of want to show you guys what it's going to look like when it's almost done, right before you move in, right before they have it ready for you. This builder actually have, I believe, 90 something lots available and homes that they can actually build here. So you guys will be very early on if you guys move here right away. They have a play area over there for your kids, and just contact me if you guys want to see other homes just like this. I'm not sure, I'll have to double check if this one's actually sold to somebody. A builder told me I can definitely come in and show you guys what it looked like though. So this is what it looked like when you guys first come in. And I showed you a home that's very similar to this one already. So definitely go and check out my other videos, and it's all staged for you guys so you can see exactly what it's going to, look like when you put all your furniture in here. So this is one of the bedrooms here. Look like it's a double bedroom, unless this is like the one where they had like a bedroom, then they had like you was able to have like a living room in your bedroom. And that was the bathroom. Nice size storage areas, even a little ducked off area here, you guys. So a lot of storage area, a lot of space to store things. And this in here, you guys. Okay, got a half a bath in here. Okay, they're kind of sneaky with this one. I like this though. So that's a half bath right there. Look at all the cabinet space in this kitchen, you guys. This is perfect for those people that like to cook. Right now, the builder has a promotion where they're actually including your appliances. So washer and dryer, fridge, stove, and your microwave is all gonna be included with your home. You have a decent sized backyard. So that's really good that the builder has that right now for you guys. Okay, this is your pantry area here. And then here is the garage. So yeah, that's the garage. And the door actually kind of seems like it closes on its own too. I really like that. Like has a pull to it. But then again, that could just be a pull from the weather, who knows? Okay, so far so good. I love it. Let's go upstairs and see what they have upstairs. Okay, so it's not a straight shot. They actually have a curve here. One other houses that's similar to this actually had like a straight shot upstairs, but this one actually had like a curve to it. Okay, here's their loft area. Here's a bedroom. This must be the master bedroom. A double vanity shower here. Your closet is there. Your toilet is here. Some storage for your bathroom. And a beautiful size closet. Back up a little bit so you guys can see like how big it is in here. It's huge in there. I know you guys are seeing this, but this builder can actually do custom builds. I don't know if somebody actually got this one customized just for them. I mean, like you see how there's a shower in the bathroom over there? They can actually give you a tub or, whatever you want to get. They can customize it. Another bedroom. all the bedrooms are actually well, actually, it's not all of them upstairs. How many bedrooms are we at now? We're at what, 5 bedrooms so far? 4 or 5 bedrooms. This is your laundry room. You have the laundry hookups, and don't forget, I said too, right now I have a promotion where your wash and dry will be included. A lot of storage in a laundry room. I love that. So this builder also have a promotion where they are giving out closing cost credits. So they're helping you with your closing costs here. So if you guys want to get a house that's customized, this can be a great builder for you guys. I just want to show you what this looked like when it's almost done. It's not completed yet, so it's not ready for moving yet, but it's almost done. Let's come downstairs and, you know, just take a final peek. I love this kitchen. I just love it so much. We usually have, yep, the dishwasher on this side. So nice. They have the appliances included, but when you're watching this video, it may be, you know, after the promotions. Definitely call me so I can tell you like what promotions they have available with this builder or other builders too. So many homes that I already went into and recorded, so I can definitely tell you about, you know, like the other builders. I think I'm gonna have to go over there and show you guys a little bit of the outside. And that was the upstairs. That was that extra closet. So yeah, that was this extra closet that's here. This one here is an extra, you know, half bath. That's here. This one have 3.5 baths. This home is huge, you guys. And I think this home is still about 30 to 35 minutes from Disney. Yeah, so hopefully you guys like this home. I'm going to show you guys a little bit more of the outside. If you guys have any questions, please call or text me. My phone number is 407-374-2747. If you guys are in the Florida area or you're looking to move into the Florida area, definitely call me because I can help you with that process. And also, if you guys are like in different states, I do help a lot of people purchase even if they are in different states. So definitely call me because I can help you with that. Also, this community still have like 90 something, I think he said like 94 available lots, so available homes here. So definitely call me if you guys have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye bye.